Hi, hello there, Radhey. Welcome back to another new sessions. Today is a 23-day challenges reading English practice with Radhey talks. Okay, without delay times, let's start today's sessions. Before start video, I going to share two lines motivation. That's motivation helpful of our daily lives. This is very specified or to your activeness and you connected to how to do something little bitly or yourself. Okay, the motivations lines is very helpful to yourself. The line say problem is not problems but your reactions is a problem. Problem is not problems, your reactions are your problems, but your reactions is the first of your problems. But your reactions stops and the reactions you never be created, then you are also be good enough and good you are be a motive to yourself. Okay, for example, you are be think about today you not attend any class because you self accepted, self sacrifices you are be not be do, but you are be not for you making comfort zone, you are be not attend class, but you the created some problems because you are be healthy issue, but you want to. But that's meaning you are be comfort zone covers, then have to make of reactions. I am feeling very sad, I am feeling say fevers. Okay, that's why you create a problem. But you are be small problems you created, you are be stop there, stop the quickly, because the small problems is created to add this tomorrow or day after tomorrow. That's a big problems. That's why now we are being not properly handle it. Then a 1 month, 2 month and 1 year you are cover you the time wasted. That's why your reactions first problems. But your reactions, I am not speaking English, I am not speaking English fluently, I am not practicing tongue twisters, I am not speaking English well too, I am not communication to each others. But your reactions, but your reactions you stop, you never create your reactions. That way be you know of I see your problems, but you sort out problems only for the problems, not for the solution identify. Okay, you are know of the problems, you are also tell I am speaking English, yes I am communicating to each others, I know English, but you are saying I am don't be speaking English. That's why you are be create problems, that you create reactions, but your reactions is your convert you the problem. That's the main reasons. Okay, don't waste your time. So let's start today's session. I have the same book, the book name is Psychology of Money. Okay, I start. Okay, you don't have to agree with the reasons. Lotto tickets when you are looking in the still at the bad idea. Okay, but I can of understand why the lotto ticket sells and persist, and what the idea and what you are be doing the same cry, but I kind of the understand why I are doing it, and you uncovers the root of many of the our financial decisions. Few people make a financial decision purely with a spreadsheet, but they make them to be denote tables and in a company meeting place where your personal history you are be own unique view of the world in ego pride and marketing and the aid of the incentive of the scrambler together into the narrative of the work of you. Okay, and another important point that you have to explain why the money decisions are so difficult and why there is so much of the misbehavior in to be recognized the how new this topic is. Many has been there around the long time. The king alters the lady of now a part of the Turkey is a throw of have to create the first officially currency of the 600 of BC, but they are the modern fundamental money decisions. Saving and investing is the best around the concept that the practically of inflate. Okay, then this is a very important of take of retirement. Okay, I have a cover of the today's sessions. I think you are be doing properly, but your reactions you remember I am the saying always ask you questions yourself. That is very helpful. You self questions, self audit, you are know about your perfect conflict, you are the strong your inner faces. That is very helpful yourself. Don't waste your time, don't your spine stem your other person, so those person irritated for you, and you always focus your lines, always focus your duty, but your reactions are the first of problems. But your reactions ask, but you quickly you stop with reactions, you are be do something, be positively, be happily, and everything okay. Okay, Jai Jagannath, Radhe Radhe, see you tomorrow. Okay, let's call it a day. Bye bye.